Welcome back to All Things Outdoors Ohio. We're here today at my family friend's pond. I've been fishing here since I was 12 years old. I'm finally able to have some time to myself. I've graduated college, so what other way to get to the fishing season for me than to go to a loaded pond? Like I said, I've been here since I was 12. I know there's good fish in here. I've caught a 5.5, possibly 6-pounder. I know there's beds in here, and I know there's fish that like to come up here on these shallow banks and spawn. So we're going to see what we can get today. The conditions, the water's pretty muddy, as you can tell. So today I'm going to be throwing some darker colors, just flipping up on here. We got some moving water, so I'm sure there's some fish bedded up and stacked up in this fresh water. So stay tuned. Let's see if we can get something done today. Oh! Oh boy! Drag! My drag! My drag! My drag! My drag! My drag! Oh, come on now! Do this to me! Oh, my drag fish! First fish of the day, boys! I sighted him. That's a nice fish there. Let's go! Let's go. Nice fish there on the Bandito bug. I knew he was over there swimming. There's always a bed there every year. Let's go on the Bandito. Crushed. I'd say about 2.5 maybe. Let's get a weight on. First fish of the year. Smoked her. Well, there she is. First fish of the year. Caught on the Bandito bug. Sighted her in, I'd say she's about 2 pounds or so. Great first fish. Get back in there. Oh, there was a bite. There's another one. Yep, I knew there was one in there. Been biting me the whole time. Fish number two, fish number two, fish number two, little dink. That thing's been there the whole time, moving water. I knew she was gonna be in there, throwing dark colors, muddy water today. Fish number two. Oh boy, there it was. There she was. I knew there was one in there. I knew there was one in there. Golly. I doubt she bites again. Oh, yes. Real nice one there. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go. Let's go. There she is. I knew she was in there, boys. Let's go. On the Bandito. Let's go, boys. That's a nice fish right there. That's a really nice fish right there. 4-pounder right there. Easy 4-pounder. Right off the bed. Best fish of the year, obviously. We'll take that all day, boys. We'll take that all day. First time getting out. Dirty water. Throwing the Bandito. Had 3 in the first 15 minutes. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Look at that. Wow. Came right out of that little brush. Just destroyed spinnerbait. Wow. Got me all sort. There he is. Yep. He was in that little bush. On the spinnerbait. Black spinnerbait. Fish number 4. Well, that wraps up today. Not a bad day at all. Can only get out for a few hours. Started to get windy. I'm pretty sure some rain's rolling in. So, like I said, I only was out here for a few hours. Caught some nice fish. See that the fish are starting to spawn. Always a great time of the year. I'm excited to graduate school. Now I can actually get after it a little bit. I'm excited to be able to fish. I'm excited to get out and enjoy myself. Obviously, find my career first and make that a #1 priority, but make some videos on the side. So, as always, I hope you all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment what you'd like to see next. I appreciate your time.